Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks, and I don't know why I've never thought about doing a video. Somebody's trying to put dots around a star equally, and if you can see, there is a dot at each tip and a dot at each inward tip. This is just something you need to think about. So we're going to draw an ellipse. We're going to fill it in with, let's fill it in with red this time and take away the outline. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, move it over, and then he's blending them. So we're going to go to effects and blend. I'm going to blend them 60 times. And then I'm going to say new path, and I'm going to put it on a new path. Then I'm going to blend along full path. And I've got double node or double one. I've got 60, probably too many for this, but there's one on the edge, one close, two off, and none of them hardly are in the center. You've got to think about the math. You've got 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want, and this is one thing I stress in every one of my videos, when you blend, you've already got 2. So we need, let's say we're going to say 10 on each side, so we need 50. So we really only need 48, because the 2 will give us a 50. If you have an even number, or the right number, everything will come out. Now there's one on each point and one on the inside. You know, I don't care if it's less or a few more. You've got to have an even amount of numbers. You can't ask Corel to just, you know, work magic, because it's blending them equally apart. You can see each one of them is almost the exact same distance. Now these look like they're closer just because of the angle. But if I guarantee you, if we measured, these are pretty close to being perfect. And then if you don't want the line there, just go up to Object and break the blend apart, and then you can grab your line out of the way. And you have the remnants of a star with dots. Anyway, I hope that it answered their question, and thank you for watching.